see, this is a Latitude. Sorry. This is a Latitude 3 Vietnam bed, as you can see. We were struggling a little bit to take out the drawer. In this case, the drawer that goes under the bed. You know how it is. So as you can see right here, this is not the regular drawers. This one, the slide is underneath the drawer. So what we did, they had this little clip that my pops, right now he's put it on. We had to remove these. Right now he's putting it on just to show you guys where it is. And yeah, that's basically it. I just make sure you remove this because we accidentally just broke it, like the other one over there. But this one, yeah, take it out, and then boom, you just gotta make strength and it comes out. Okay, you can see. If we try to remove these, it's not gonna come out. I mean, you can, but like you're gonna break it, so it's better off to take it off. Dad, can you take it off, please? Alright. Take it out, and like I said, it's gonna make strength. Ahí lo ahí está. ¿Ya está filmado? Ahí está filmado. And then there you go. That's your drawer uninstalled. Thank you. I hope this video was helpful.